From last night, my summer belly just a run out for some breadfruit. Yeah, roast breadfruit. I go to the road and say, yo, me I go buy one. Them not have none out there. However, them have regular breadfruit, but me have to go roast it. Me, I don't know, ketchup fire girl. So, me I try a thing what me normally do on the stove when the breadfruit want roast. So I'm carrying it with me. But before I do that, I want to ask you know, subscribe, like, comment, and continue to share. Follow me at Come Make We Chat Show on all social platforms and click the notification bell. Alright, so we're going around. So I don't know, so my house are too big. Put it on the stove. It's around there, so kind of roast. You know, so because you put it on the stove grill, it kind of have some stuff around it. So I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Because I don't want breadfruit bun up. I really want it for roast. You know me? So I'm going to follow the process of roast breadfruit on stove. I'm going to turn it. So I look. So you know that because I use the stove, it end up getting a bit curly. But all you have to do is ensure so you just go around it. Now the breadfruit here is kind of big, so the yellow heart breadfruit as Jamaican people would have said. See there? Breadfruit that come together. It just want to go around the corner a little. I'm not too fried too long. So process still a go long. Still there after still no roast. But it turned out lovely. Yes, yeah, this still too alright. The breadfruit still there and roasting. Got you a yellow hot breadfruit. It well roasted. I not to put no whole heap of fire, but I don't want to roast it too much. You see all them side they want to too touch. Just want to ensure say up as I get a little. So the breadfruit is roasted because it's soft. I don't really want to roast it all that much. So now what am I gonna do? I just peel it. Jamaican people call this yellow heart breadfruit. But I don't want it too soft. I don't know if I stove it fry it roast pan. So I'll cut it up.
There isn't a fucking scratch on it.
Fry it up. Make you see what I'm going after I done. You see me? When I done cut it up. So this is the final touch of the meal. We didn't start eat already. I forgot for sure now. And that's it. Roast breadfruit. Starting from the stove, roast on the stove, then fry up. Subscribe.